Have you ever watched your toddler insist that every yellow object on Earth belongs to them personally? Have you ever noticed how a preschooler can memorize cartoon characters but suddenly forget what green looks like when you try to teach them? And here's the puzzling question parents whisper at 9 p.m. How can a tiny human who cannot put shoes on the right feet perfectly rearrange your house into a color-coded disaster zone? The Montessori color sorting toy with play food transforms everyday toddler chaos into calm, focused learning, making it one of 2025's most effective, pressure-free, and quietly powerful educational tools. The toy includes colored bowls, realistic play food pieces, sorting tools, and sensory objects that invite toddlers into hands-on learning. Montessori educators in 2025 continue to stress that children learn best through real interaction with their environment, not screens or worksheets. Sorting, matching, transferring, and organizing are the foundations of early year development. This color sorting set follows the same structure used in Montessori classrooms worldwide. Let the child explore first, think second, and learn naturally without adult interruption. That's why toddlers keep coming back to this toy again and again. The magic of this toy is its perfect balance between freedom and structure. Kids get to play however they want, but the colors quietly guide their choices. Red pieces gravitate to the red bowl. Green vegetables settle into the green bowl. Yellow lemons fall into place naturally. Instead of parents correcting them, the toy corrects itself. Montessori calls this self-correction. One of the cornerstones of independent learning. Children fix mistakes on their own. They feel more confident, more capable, and more proud. And parents experience a rare moment of peace while witnessing real learning unfold. Preschool researchers across Europe and the US reported in November 2025 that color sorting toys help children strengthen pattern recognition, categorization, and early problem-solving abilities. Sorting activates multiple regions of the brain, improving memory, attention, and reasoning. The colorful play foods keep children engaged because they offer countless ways to sort, group, and compare without ever feeling repetitive. This toy becomes even more effective because it connects learning to daily life. Children see fruits, vegetables, and snacks constantly, so sorting toy versions helps concepts click faster and more naturally. Kids who once mixed everything together suddenly shout, "Tomato red, broccoli green, lemon yellow," and begin noticing color differences everywhere, boosting visual discrimination skills, vital for reading readiness and cognitive growth. Montessori learning always emphasizes movement, and this toy supports that beautifully. Children pick up pieces, turn them, feel them, compare sizes, and experiment with tools like tongs or cups. These actions develop hand strength, coordination, and bilateral hand use. Toddlers love the challenge of gripping fruits with tongs, transferring them to bowls, and making sure everything lands exactly where they imagine. Parents often notice improved spoon coordination, faster dressing, and more confident writing movements later on because of these early fine motor experiences. Let's shift into the most engaging moment of the script. Picture your toddler carefully holding a pretend orange with the seriousness of a scientist examining rare treasure. That concentration is a sign of real learning. This toy doesn't force focus, it invites it. Preschool children naturally settle into deep attention when the activity feels meaningful, and sorting taps directly into their instinctive need to create order. Now we arrive at the paragraph you chose for the midlink. Here it comes with full clarity. Let's talk about fine motor skills, because toddlers do not simply hold things. They grab, twist, drop, squeeze, shake, and sometimes test gravity in ways that would worry an engineer. This toy strengthens hand muscles through repeated gripping, transferring, and picking. Occupational therapists in 2025 emphasize that sorting play is one of the most effective early exercises for building the foundational hand strength needed for drawing, writing, self-feeding, and buttoning clothes. Without realizing it, children build finger control and hand stability every time they move a tiny fruit from one bowl to another. These movements create strong neural pathways that support later academic performance. Another powerful benefit is language development. As children sort, they naturally begin to name colors, foods, and shapes. A 2-year-old might start with simple labels like red or apple. By 3, they combine words more confidently: red apple, green corn, yellow lemon. By 4 and 5, these descriptors turn into full sentences. Montessori educators note that sorting encourages natural conversation because children enjoy narrating what they see. This strengthens vocabulary, sentence structure, color recognition, and cognitive processing, all without giving them a single flashcard. Sorting also builds emotional confidence. When children successfully match and categorize pieces, they gain a sense of control and victory. The small successes add up. Preschoolers begin approaching new tasks more boldly because they trust their own ability to solve problems. Montessori classrooms worldwide report that children who regularly engage in sorting activities display higher resilience, better patience, and smoother emotional regulation. Pretend play adds another layer of value as children use the food pieces to create imaginary meals, run pretend stores, or organize miniature kitchens. This kind of storytelling boosts creativity, cooperation, and social understanding. Parents often see scenes unfold, toddlers offering pretend foods or siblings deciding who gets which fruit, making the blend of imagination and structured learning feel natural and genuinely enjoyable. Let's drop a fresh hook to keep the viewer glued. Imagine your toddler running a food sorting operation with the confidence of a miniature shopkeeper, every fruit examined, every color inspected, every bowl placed with intention. That rising sense of expertise is the child stepping into independence, the very heart of Montessori learning. The durability of this toy adds long-term value. Toddlers are fearless product testers. They throw things, bite things, and somehow find new ways to use items that no adult engineer has ever predicted. Luckily, this set is made with strong, child-safe materials, designed to survive years of enthusiastic use. In 2025, Joyreal improved its plastic formulation to be safer, thicker, and more eco-friendly. Parents consistently report that the colors stay bright, the shapes stay intact, and the bowls stay sturdy despite constant play. One surprising benefit is improved concentration. As children sort, categorize, and complete tasks, they naturally practice focusing for longer periods. Research in 2025 shows that sorting activities help children develop sustained attention, which lays the foundation for academic readiness. Children who regularly practice sorting demonstrate better classroom adaptability, better patience during lessons, and smoother transitions between activities. Sorting also acts as the first step toward math readiness. When children group items by color, they are learning the early building blocks of categorization and comparison. Later, they use the same skills for counting, adding, subtracting, and recognizing patterns. Many preschool teachers incorporate sorting trays into their lessons because the activity trains children to think logically. The toy also encourages early problem solving as children figure out how to group, where to place items, and how many go into each bowl. One more hook arriving gently. Watching a toddler sort food pieces with laser focus feels like watching someone solve an ancient puzzle that only they can understand. Their eyebrows lower, their hands move carefully, and their mind hums with determination. That tiny moment is the heart of early learning. This toy also promotes tidy habits. When each color has its own bowl, children learn that items belong in specific places. This encourages natural cleaning up routines, which Montessori calls practical life skills. Kids who enjoy sorting often enjoy tidying too, because the act feels purposeful, not forced. The sensory variety of the pieces plays a critical role as well. Children feel soft, smooth, textured, and curved surfaces. These tactile experiences support sensory development, helping kids learn to identify objects through touch alone. Sensory-rich play supports stronger attention, calmer behavior, and more accurate memory retention, especially between ages 2 and 5. Parents often ask how long this toy remains useful. The answer is encouraging. A 2-year-old begins by exploring colors and transferring pieces. A 3-year-old matches more accurately and begins categorizing by size and shape. A 4-year-old uses the set for pretend cooking and pattern building. A 5-year-old can practice simple math with the same pieces. This long lifespan makes it a valuable investment for early learning. By the end of regular use, children develop stronger language, sharper focus, better coordination, deeper problem-solving skills, and greater independence. These abilities support smoother transitions into preschool and kindergarten. With every sorting session, children grow more capable, curious, and confident. Give your toddler a joyful, skill-building learning boost with this top Montessori color sorting toy of 2025 by tapping the link and exploring the details. Remember to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more smart toy reviews that make parenting easier.